Now that the students have their materials, the challenge of constructing a full garment begins.
So I'm so excited today. We are getting to work with the students and help mentor them, give them some outside advice for what they're working on for the Fashion Pack Challenge.
There is immense pressure to complete an entire garment in a very short amount of time.
We are moving along, but we are also having many realizations.
It's been changing a lot. The original idea that I had planned is kind of pretty much scrapped, and now I need to think of something different.
My advice would be just to kind of go with your gut.
I have decided to go through with my plan to execute the activist dress. That's what I'm going to call it, starting now.
So far it's been pretty good. It's not been too stressful yet, but it'll get more stressful in the next few days.
I definitely have a very difficult time making so many decisions in such a short period of time. So my next step will be to make this overlay piece. I've been having a little bit of a tricky time with the material. I'm making it out of these life jackets.
Everything is going well, and I do have enough time to finish everything, but only if everything goes right. So I'm really making sure to keep my foot on the gas there.